Hello, everyone. My name is Sid Pawar, and I'm the Supply Chain Center of Excellence Director at Akili. Today, I'm going to demonstrate promotions planning in Anaplan. So for promotions planning, the major challenge in demand management process is incorporating promotional lift and volume information into the forecast. This can be overcome by sharing the correct information between sales team and forecasting groups, so every change to the promotional plan is captured immediately, and review the latest promotions to understand changes to key promotional plans. You also want to incorporate volume changes in response to the changes identified from the promotional grid. Let's dive into the platform, and you can see kind of how Anaplan can be leveraged. So here on the screen, as you can see, we have the promotions planning page displayed. Promotions planning is part of a demand shaping process, but these pages can be customizable and adjusted to your organization's needs. But one of the things that this page displays on top are certain key performance indicators. As you notice, at the top, we'll have budget status. In this case, we are under budget. We have a planned spend, any budget that is remaining, what's our gross margin target status, gross margin target in terms of dollars, our currency, and then gross margin amount. On the table down below, we can display our promotions and any adjustments that we want to make to the different product categories or product SKUs, and by store or by region and at different intersections. In this case, we're going to look at by product category and by store. So here I have my base quantity displayed, any lift percentage that I'm going to go ahead and apply to my base quantity. Once I have done that, in this case, I'm going to deactivate my promotion lift here of 8%, and you'll notice that my final quantity is the same as the base quantity. But once I apply the 8% lift, it will adjust the final quantity and bring in any spend dollars that have been assigned to this particular product category and store. One other thing that you'll notice is that I have margin percentage over here, but once I have it deactivated, my original was 43%, but because I'm applying this as an end-of-life promotion, it's going to drop my margin percentage. But as in terms of the return on investment on the promotion, spending $2,000 is a good investment, and I can make some changes and play with these numbers and bring in different metrics to make determination and decisions on which promotions I want to run. As well as once I'm done with this as a sales manager, I can go in and look at other charts. In this case, I'm looking at revenue chart. I have cumulative revenue, prior year revenue, and current year revenue. I'm going to turn off cumulative revenue if I just want to compare prior year and current year. And then if I am in a meeting and we're just talking current year revenue, I can just leave that particular data field on, and I can talk to that particular current year revenue with my key stakeholders. Once I have completed that activity, I can also go ahead and show you how we can quickly add a start and end date to promotions. I can select any kind of a start date or as well as end date, picking different time horizons of my time horizon. And as you notice that as I'm changing these dates, that it's going to have an impact on the Gantt chart over here. So for example, as I adjust this out, if I want to just run this for a short period of time that the Gantt chart is changing, I can go ahead and create this promotion for a particular store and or product type, and I can go ahead and submit this, and it will create that promotion for review. I can also maximize this Gantt chart over here to see other promotions that have been created for different stores or different product categories and different time horizons to see if there are any overlaps that might have an impact. And once I've reviewed that and if I'm satisfied, I can go ahead and minimize that. Sales and marketing are working in conjunction, so I have the ability to kind of work with marketing. In this case, marketing can go ahead and refresh the demand forecast, look at the same kind of historical data, as well as look at projections for marketing forecast, and then look at my prior year data to decide what kind of promotions make sense, make any final adjustments to the forecast, and then publish that out to my counterparts in demand planning. So if I'm satisfied, I can just kind of go ahead and submit this button to activate a forecast down to demand planning. So as you can see, this is a very useful tool to communicate with not only with within sales and marketing, but also outside sales and marketing with other groups such as supply chain. I can also toggle back to promotion planning if I wanted to go ahead and review it with my sales manager. And this is a very easy navigation tool. So promotions planning is another activity that Anaplan can support really well. And I hope you find this demo really useful. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. at akili.com or via LinkedIn and email that is displayed up here. And I thank you for your time today. Have a good day.